I got started in the construction industry by way of my father. And when I was growing up, he was in the construction business, owned his own firm in Peoria, where I grew up, Peoria, Illinois. And as soon as I was old enough to go to work, I was involved in the industry. Started out working in his warehouse, checking in tools and equipment and that type of thing. But my real first construction job was actually as a union laborer. I got my card one summer, and the first job that I was put on, I was at a chemical plant running a 90-pound jackhammer. And what a introduction to the industry. And it didn't take me too many days to figure out that that's not what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. But I loved it. I just loved being around building stuff. And that progressed. Every summer from school, I worked construction since I was old enough to work. And went to Iowa State University in construction engineering. And during the summers of going to school, I always go back and work construction. And I'll never forget another project I worked on early in my construction career. I was actually on a bank project, a small branch bank, and it had a basement, and the building had actually been built prior, and we were trying to find a water problem in the basement. And so I was down in the bottom of this hole, 15 feet below grade, and I was literally covered with dirt and mud. And I will never forget coming up out of the hole at break one morning, and one of the bank tellers had sent me a donut out through the pneumatic tube system, and I thought that was pretty cool. That person ended up later becoming my wife. So that was kind of an interesting introduction into the industry.